What's up, YouTube? That Throttle here. I have some good news. I finally got a GoPro 12 and I've set it up with my Cardo Packtalk Edge. And if things are working correctly, then you'll be able to hear the audio along with the video. I wanted to say that in theory, it's a pretty simple process, but in practice, it's actually very difficult because it just wouldn't pair. I had my iPhone connected to the Packtalk Edge on the phone 1 setting and tried connecting the GoPro 12 to the phone 2 setting for the Cardo Pack, and it wasn't. So I wasted about an hour and a half, close to 2 hours. Finally, I had the idea to disconnect my iPhone completely. I'm unpairing it from the Cardo Packtalk and then repairing the GoPro 12 to the Cardo Packtalk, and then it worked. I was able to get it record audio and video. So oh, that was awfully close over there. This car. But I don't really like to ride along cars, so that anyhow, I'm very excited because now I'll be able to add the audio layer to the layer, and you guys are going to have a more interesting experience when you watch my vlogging. So I'm very, very excited. Just wanted to get a quick ride in today, like I said, to showcase this, and hopefully you guys are able to hear me. Thank you guys. Who Thanks to everyone who has subscribed so far to my channel. I'm very appreciative of that. Please know that I am passionate about motorcycling. I'm passionate about sharing my experiences, my scenic rides, and pretty much anything dealing with me and my love with motorcycles. So please know that there is more content coming up, and stay tuned. I appreciate your support.